The magnitude of the key interest rate hike by the European Central Bank and the Federal Reserve is the only issue that attracts traders' attention. This was the main driver of the euro's rise. Notably, such a considerable increase led to the appreciation of other currencies, mainly the pound sterling. European Central Bank Vice President Luis de Guindos almost directly said that the regulator was planning to raise the benchmark rate by 75 basis points at the next meeting. What's more, the ECB may resort to the same hike at the following meeting. Soaring inflation is the key reason for such aggressive measures of the ECB. However, such a radical stance may negatively affect the region's economy, and this could be proved by a report from the ZEF Institute. According to the data, entrepreneurs of the eurozone's largest economy remained pessimistic. The economic sentiment continued falling. In September, the indicator hit minus 61.9 points, the lowest level since October 2008. The future is really gloomy amid the upcoming winter and the energy crisis. What's more, a slowdown in the Chinese economy may spur negative changes in the global trends. Today, the US dollar is likely to go on losing value amid the US inflation report. According to the forecast, inflation may slacken to 8.1% from 8.5%. In other words, inflation will decline for the second month in a row, allowing the Fed to switch to a more dovish policy. In the event of this, in Europe, interest rates will rise faster than in the United States. Notably, the American regulator may even stop the monetary policy tightening, and just several months ago the situation was the opposite. The Fed was actively raising the benchmark rate, whereas the ECB was just considering such a possibility. As a result, the greenback surged, and now the currency may show a reversal. Meanwhile, traders are pricing in various scenarios. The euro gained about 300 pips against the US dollar, rising from the lows, and this movement is defined as a correctional one. The quote climbed to 1.02. If the price consolidates above 1.0150, it may break 1.02. In this case, the price may continue the upward correction without volatility the downtrend. It means that the quote has every chance to reverse, and now market sentiment is changing. The pound-dollar pair also followed the euro-dollar pair. As a result, it prolonged the correctional movement from the local low recorded in 2020. The British pound has gained around 300 pips in less than a week. Under the current conditions, the uptrend is still intact. That's why the correction may continue. However, to do so, the pair should consolidate above 1.1750 and jump to 1.1800 or even 1.1850. Notably, the pound sterling is just following the euro. That's why its rise is of a speculative nature only. However, the UK fundamental data is not adding to the pound's investment attractiveness. In July, the UK unemployment rate dropped to the lowest level since 1974. In August, the number of initial claims resumed rising. Thus, the number of unemployed people soared by 6,300, whereas economists had expected a decline. Nevertheless, traders are not pricing in the news at the moment. The Bank of England's meeting was postponed to September 22 due to the death of Queen Elizabeth. The monetary authorities are likely to continue raising the key interest rate amid the upcoming recession and extremely high inflation. How will going to be in the short term on the financial markets? We will definitely tell you in our next news releases. Don't miss them and stay up to date with us. See you soon.